ringleader, so he's going to tell us why he started this club and what he hopes to accomplish. And I'm going to talk about it.
My name is Jim Lescue, and I'm an aerospace engineer, also environmental engineer. I tested turbine engines for the Air Force for 10 years. The Air Force would give a spec on what their next generation engine needed to do. Flight envelope, time from takeoff to Mach 2, all that kind of stuff. So I worked on these prototypes for 10 years with General Electric and Pratt & Whitney, and testing their engines and seeing if their prototypes met the Air Force specs. So very interesting stuff. And I guess I'll skip forward so I don't make this too long. I met my wife in Knoxville. She got a job at A-State. She's got a PhD in math. I came here, had my own software development company at that time, and had someone that worked in a bank and wanted to automate the mailing operations centers of banks. Never been done before. So they asked me if I can go to a bank and look at the bank data and see if I can develop this new process. So went up to the bank at Ashflat and spent about, I was there at least 12 different times. Even stayed at the hotel there a few times because I had to work at night, and too late to drive back. And finally cracked the code, got the data from the bank I needed, wrote the software, and fed that through the mailing system at the bank, and now we're in 700 banks. So that's my claim to fame so far, but that one worked, thank goodness. Because in Jonesboro, since I followed my wife here, there's no environmental engineering or aerospace engineering in Jonesboro. So it's a real blessing that the bank software I developed worked. Did that for 13 years. Last year I got tired of it, wanted to get back into engineering, wanted to, I've always got ideas for inventions as well. I got a whole page of inventions I'd like to work on, and it's kind of like what Bob was saying, you go to the store and you're looking for something and you can't find it anywhere. I'm going to write that one down. Some of those work out. So that's, I'm interested in everything I can learn about inventions as well. I have a 3D printer. It's a commercial grade printer. It's a $40,000 printer. I also do CAD design, so I can design the parts and then send them to the printer. Now there's a whole bunch of areas outside of that. Nobody does everything. Once you get outside of 3D printing, you get past that first development phase where you're tweaking and you print these things out like overnight. So got very quick turnaround, modify the design some, and you get to the point, okay, I think I'm ready to manufacture. Well, now we need experts that are in CNC shops or plastic injection mold or stamping or sheet metal. So there's a whole nother layer of expertise past me. So part of our goal is to get these industry experts to be speakers here, give us a connection to them, and at least have a path to work with them, get done what we need to get past that step and move forward. So should be interesting.
And this organization is
It's a 501c3 nonprofit, and we got our IRS approval for tax exemption recently. So now we can accept your donations or membership fees are tax deductible, and when we get sponsors that maybe it's a manufacturer, maybe it's a marketing group, something like that. If they want to be a sponsor, give us $250, $500 is tax deductible for them as well. So that was important to get our tax exempt status. Thanks for coming.
And Jim is the president of the Inventors Club of Northeast Arkansas, and I'm the vice president. So you only have 2 officers, not a very large organization. And what we're trying to do is to provide resources, not just ourselves, but other resources that you might be able to go to. The Inventors Club of Northeast Arkansas has a website. And we're hoping to really build up the website so that if you got a question, you go to the website, and there's a link there where you can find where you can go get the answer. You don't need to call us, you can just go to the website. And the website is www.inventorsclubofnearkansas.org. And once we get these membership forms filled out and turned in, we'll build up an email database and we'll send you out this type of information that you need. Or we're trying to build that website up so that if you have a question or there's somebody you're looking for that might be able to answer the question, you want to do injection molding or 3D printing, or if you're looking for a patent attorney, then you can go on there and you can find the resources.